yeast. Ngayon naman, may bago akong ituturo sa inyo. Ito naman ay ang Spanish bread.
For the ingredients, we need 1 cup warm milk, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 egg, 1 1/2 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup sugar, plus 1 tablespoon sugar, and 4 cups of flour. For the procedure, put the warm milk, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the yeast in a bowl, and then mix it well. Mix until the sugar and the yeast dissolves. Wait for 5 to 7 minutes to activate the yeast. And then, once the yeast has been activated, you can add the melted butter, the egg, and the sugar, and then mix it well. And then you can gradually add the flour and the salt, and then mix it all together. Dust the surface with flour, and then knead your dough for 10 minutes. You will know if your dough is ready when you can see that it is soft and elastic. Put an oil in a bowl and on your dough. By doing this, it prevents the dough from sticking into the bowl. Then put a cover and let it rest for 2 hours. Here are the ingredients and procedure on how to make the filling. In a bowl, add 1/2 cup melted butter and 1/2 cup brown sugar. Mix it well. And then follow it with 1/3 cup condensed milk. And then mix it again. Now you can add the 3/4 cup breadcrumbs and the 1/4 cup flour. And then mix it until well combined. Then finish it with 1/3 cup thickened cream or all-purpose cream. Mix it well and set aside. After 2 hours, the dough is ready. Punch out the gas from the dough and then flatten the dough. Roll it until you create a log. Cut the dough into pieces. For this recipe, you can make 20 Spanish breads. I forgot to mention that you will be needing breadcrumbs for dusting. Now we are ready to put the filling into the dough. Flatten a piece of dough, then put 1 tablespoon of filling, then fold the sides, and you can start roll the dough. Then dust it with breadcrumbs. When it's done, cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 45 minutes. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, then bake the bread for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you have freshly baked Spanish bread.
Tikman natin. Sarap! Sobra. Welcome back! Welcome back sa Marj. Welcome back sa Marj Kitchen Recipes. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye!